Shadows dancing on a digital floor, looking for a key to an open door. We are the echoes in a hollow hall, waiting for a sign before we fall. Can you feel the pulse? Can you hear the sound? We're the ones who won't be tracing lines on a glowing map, falling deep into the static trap. Across the wires we find our soul, in a world that's lost control. Can you feel